Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.
Hey guys, this is Old Man Wags here with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers, here to introduce you to the V7 model. We get a lot of questions about why our Dirt Killer line is more expensive than everybody else's model, and the reason is that's a premier line. But for a lot of people that are just looking to get into the industry, that's not the route that they want to go at first. Even if it's the price point or just the idea that that's not the direction that they want to go at first, this machine takes all that away, gives you very similar specs, doesn't have a lot of the high-end features, but it's still a great entry-level machine. We have a 225cc Power Ease engine paired with a direct drive internal unloader AR pump. This gets 2.5 gallons a minute at 3,100 PSI. Comes with your standard accessories with a 30-foot high-pressure hose with 22mm connections. Comes with a 2-step breakaway lance. Comes with 3 high-pressure nozzles and 1 soaping tip. We're going to go ahead and assemble this for you so you can see what it looks like. We're going to take the handle. This is the first thing that goes on. It goes right up top. Just slides right in place. It comes with 2 locking pins. Go ahead and assemble these. Real easy twist lock connection. All right, so we have our handle in place. The next thing we are going to do, solely so that we do not lose them, we're going to take out our nozzles and go ahead and install them in the nozzle holders. We have a soaping nozzle. Next, we have a high pressure 40-degree fan. Next, we have a high pressure 15-degree fan. And of course, we have a high pressure 0-degree. The next thing we're going to assemble, we're going to come around to the back of this pump. As you'll notice, it has an internal chemical injector. First thing we need to do is pop off this cap. This is just so that fluid doesn't leak out when you're not using it. This slides onto the back of the chemical storage box. You'll notice on this particular unit, you have the water inlet, you have a relief valve. It does come with an internal unloader, and then the high pressure discharge. Next thing we can do is connect our high pressure hose. There are 22mm twist lock connections. There's no Teflon tape required. And that just gets hand tight. Next thing we will do is take our 2-piece breakaway lance. We're going to assemble that. Again, no Teflon, just hand tight. And this can get assembled to our high pressure hose. Same style 22mm connection. This also gets hand tight. And this gets installed on the lance holder. All right, so we just finished assembling it. Let's now talk about this pump and what differentiates this from our competitors. Price for price, we're right there with some of the other big box stores. What's different is the quality that goes into this unit. When it comes to some of the big box stores, they often put on a pump that's rated for 25 to 50 hours worth of use, which means that you're only going to see that kind of life expectancy out of the pump, and 9 out of 10 times you're not going to do any in-depth repairs on it. That being said, the pump that we've put on this unit is an AR commercial grade entry-level unit. This pump is rated for 75 to 100 hours worth of use, which means for that exact same price point, you're getting a machine that's going to last significantly longer than anything that you're going to find in any kind of box store. The next thing that differentiates us from your other big box stores is we still carry the exact same commercial grade warranty on this machine as we do of any of the machines in our showroom. It is 1 year against manufactured defects, not wear and tear parts, not neglect, not user error, but true manufactured defects. We will take care of this machine because we do stand behind it. As one of Dirt Killer's entry-level machines, this still carries all the benefits of buying off of our showroom, like it's brand new the day in the store. All right, so we wrapped up our warranty process. The last thing we're going to talk about is the included oil. This oil is included with this machine at 1 liter bottle because on this port on the side it comes with an orange dipstick. It will require this entire liter to get this engine started. This engine is integrated with a low oil shutoff that we never have to worry about running dry when you're out in the field working, or if you're in any kind of scenarios where you're burning oil for some reason, it will shut itself off if there's not enough oil in it. Very important to getting this started. All right, this concludes our unboxing video of the BEV7 model. If you'd like to purchase it, feel free to click on the link below or go to Dirt Killer. This is Old Man Wags with Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt. But this machine is great to get in the... Hi, welcome to Dirt Killer. Next, we have a... Can I say we also include a French label? In case you... I just want to see who pays attention to it.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.